So we have take topic 6, factor influencing environmental management accounting. My name is Muhammad Sharil. I will be explaining about the background research. Due to the rapid development and urbanization, environmental issues have been a concern around the world. Management accounting provides information that can make the organization to keep track on the performance toward the environment to respond to the development. Management accounting they are in relation to environmental activities, specifically the environmental management accounting (EMA), identify and analyze the financial and non-financial environmental related information to assist organization. Ten journals have been mainly used to verify the variable, theoretical aspect, and practical aspect that are related to factors influencing environmental management accounting. Previous study shows that it appears that the application of AMA positively impacts financial efficiency and environmental efficiency. However, there is not much regarding the progress of AMA practice among organizations. Thus, the objective of this study is to explore more on the factors which influence the practice of EMA.
The first journal is Factors Affecting Environmental Management Accounting and the Quality of Environmental Information for Making Decisions of Fishery Processing Enterprises in Vietnam. This study has four independent variables and one dependent variable. The methodology in this study is using questionnaires survey, and the study has confirmed that all the factors have maintained a causal relationship with environmental management accounting implementation (EMAI), and EMAI has a positive impact on environmental data quality for decision making of the fishery processing enterprises in Vietnam. The second journal is Exploring Factors Influencing Environmental Management Accounting Adoption in RMIT University. The study has 8 independent variables and one dependent variable, which using interview as the methodology of the study. The result of the study is the current level of EMA application in the university is low due to lack of environmental cost information for the purpose of internal management. The study has identified the factors of lack of EMA adoption and categorized into several sections, which are attitudinal barriers, financial barriers, information barriers, institutional barriers, and management barriers.
Next, I will present the third journal. The topic is Environmental Management Accounting Practice in Small Medium Manufacturing Firms. It has 2 IV and 1 DV. This study used a postal survey. The study indicates that the increasing coercive pressure by the government will positively affect the intention and willingness of manufacturing and SME in Malaysia to adopt EMA. Meanwhile, financial constraint is the main barriers to the development of EMA. The fourth channel is the factor affecting environmental management accounting and environmental performance. It has 4 IV and 1 DV. This study used a survey questionnaire. This study showed that the customer influence, regulatory pressure, moral and social responsibility have a positive impact and significant contributor in enhancing EMS system. Also, the study showed that EMS system only play a significant role in boosting environmental performance.
So I will talk about the fifth and sixth journal. The fifth journal is Analysis of Factors Affecting the Adoption and Use of Environmental Management Accounting to provide a conception model. This study has 1 DV and 4 IVs. This study used descriptive survey and questionnaire. This study showed that from financial managers and assistants' point of view, resistance to change, difficulty of collecting and allocating of environmental costs, and lack of standards, competitive environmental and society culture in dealing with environmental issues are the factors that influence the use of EMA. The sixth journal is Environmental Management Accounting and Performance Efficiency in the Vietnamese Construction Material Industry, a managerial implication for sustainable development. This study has 1 DV and 9 IVs. This study used questionnaires and the findings shows that there are 6 factors that positively influence the application of EMA practices, of which government enforcement has the most significant and positive relationship with the adoption of EMA.
The seventh journal is the adoption of environment-related management accounting and analysis of corporate environmental sensitivity. The IB is environmental sensitivity, and DV is the adoption of environment-related management accounting. The study is using 398 survey instruments, and the findings show that the adoption of environment-related management accounting procedures does not appear to be achieved solely by the environmental sensitivity of the industry. And the journal, the relationship between contingent factors that influence the environmental management accounting and environmental performance among manufacturing companies in Klang Valley. There are 5 IB. The first one is the uncertainty environment, second, organization size, the third, environmental strategy, fourth, regulatory pressure, and the last one is the top management commitment. The DIV is environmental management accounting. The data collection is through 600 questionnaires, and the result of this study showed that the uncertainty in the environment, top management commitment, and regulatory pressures have significantly influenced environmental management accounting and environmental performance among manufacturing companies in Klang Valley.
The ninth journal is on the factors influencing MA practices in Malaysian manufacturing industry. For IB, which are environmental sensitivity, company size, MS adoption, and the proportion of non-executive directors. And the DV is environmental management accounting practices in Malaysian manufacturing industry. The data was collected through a semi-structured interview from 2 manufacturing companies and 3 environmental government agencies, and the findings shows that customers are very conscious towards the environment, that they require companies to have some form of environmental management being operationalized. And the last journal is on the factors affecting the application of EMA construction companies in Ho Chi Minh City. 6 IB consists of company size, managers' perception of EMA, business strategy, institutional regulation, cost of implementing EMA, and the characteristic of construction industry. The DV is on the application of an EMA in construction companies in Ho Chi Minh City. 350 survey was distributed to the top management, and the findings shows that all of the IB are affecting EMA application in Ho Chi Minh City construction companies.
The first journal has contributed to knowledge of EMA in relation to the fishery processing enterprises in controlling the environmental performance, while the second journal has contributed to fill the gap of knowledge on the potential of EMA to be used for the management of environmental performance by service organizations in general.
The theoretical aspect for the third journal is the result of this study will help the managers of small medium manufacturing firms to realize the benefit of improving environmental performance and reducing environmental impact. The fourth journal is the result of this study will assist organizations to recognize the crucial internal and external drivers of environmental management accounting.
Journal is this study contributed to the literature regarding the internal and external factors that influence the use of EMA tools in the petrochemical and oil refilling companies. For for the sixth journal is EMA is not popular in Vietnam. Thus, EMA is considered a new file in both management, research, and practice in the Vietnam.
The seventh journal, it will contribute any comprehension to the literature of environment-related management accounting and provides adequate evidence for future researchers regarding the adoption of environmental management accounting within the firm. The eighth journal, the findings support the extension of contingency research into the field of EMA and contributes knowledge to academic researchers to look beyond system-based theories that have traditionally dominated environmental accounting literature.
And journal is explores the factors which influence the practice of MA within the Malaysian context of manufacturing industry, and the last one contributes to building a scale for measuring factors that impact on the implementing of MA in construction enterprises in Ho Chi Minh City.
Practical aspect. The first journal can assist fishery processing enterprises to determine factors affecting their EMA implementation currently, consider to apply EMA in coming time, and identify correct and sufficient environmental information that is responsive to environmental decision making. The second journal, the study extends the applicability of EMA to the higher education sector by providing a theoretical framework that helps explain a lack of EMA utilization.
for the third journal is, the result of this study will assist the Malaysia government to recognize the main barriers of implementing EMA in SME. Therefore, Malaysia government can play a significant role to resolve these barriers, such as prepare a proper guidance on EMA. In addition, tax authority could come out with tax incentive to stimulate interest among SME to implement EMA. The fourth journal is, the result of this study will assist organizations to evaluate their environmental influence and performance measure. Also, this study will help organizations to give more focus on crucial aspects that give a big impact on environmental performance.
For the fifth journal is, this study gives knowledge to the petrochemical and oil refilling industry in Iran on what are the factors that will influence the use of EMA tools. As for the sixth journal is, this study available to expand appropriate strategies to help Vietnamese construction material manufacturers achieve sustainable development.
The seventh journal, it helps firms in more environmentally sensitivity industries to have sufficient information in order to adopt environment-related management accounting procedures and acknowledge current limitations that are relevant to the industry itself. The eighth journal, it can assist the top-level management as well as accountants to acknowledge the current issues that faced by manufacturing industries and suggest organizations could have more training awareness so that the importance of the environment can spread mentally from the lower level to the top level of the organization.
The ninth journal is to contribute to a better understanding and supply recent evidence from Malaysia top company to enhance their profession practices and provide some insight to explain slow progress of EMA practice in Malaysia and factors that can be introduced to promote EMA practice among organizations. And the last one is to assist the management of the companies in applying EMA to improve the efficiency of economic and environmental management in companies.
So, in a nutshell, the adoption of EMA practices can be influenced by many factors such as changes in management accounting system, community concern, environmental uncertainty, and much more. The research was conducted through several methods such as questionnaire and journals. Not only internal factors influence the EMA practice, but also the external factors such as the changes of government pressure and community. In further finding of our study, environmental managers have more authority than accountants in managing environmental information as well as environmental regulatory and control system. The limitation of our study is the research of EMA on the field of construction materials, a dirty industry that leads to significant environmental problems. Additionally, the relationship between the application of EMA and firm performance represents a new issue in the literature. No previous study was discussed the statistical link between these two elements. We suggest that researchers should further their study on these two terms. Thank you very much. That's all from us.